In this session, I am going to explain about the differences between the single entry system and double entry system. Based on the recording business transaction in the books of account, the accounting systems are broadly classified into two categories, namely single entry system and double entry systems. So first one is called as double entry system. The double entry system is the common system of bookkeeping invented in the year 1494 AD by Luca Paciolo. What is double entry? Double entry means every transaction having two aspects. Both aspects are recorded in the books of account is called as double entry. In other sense, in double entry, each and every debit there is equal credit. In other sense, in double entry systems, debit are equal to credit. So it is a scientific method of recording transactions and it is an accurate method of recording business transaction. Under double entry system, personal account, real account and nominal accounts are maintained and follow the accounting concept and convention for recording each and every transaction. All the financial transaction relating to the business are recorded under double entry systems. Another system is called as single entry system. The accounting recording transactions not based on the double entry system is called as single entry systems. That is, single entry systems not follow the double entry system. That means it does not record both debit and credit. It record debit only or sometimes credit only, and some transactions are not recorded in the books of account. So it is called as incomplete, inaccurate and unscientific method of recording business transaction. In double entry, they maintain personal account, real account, nominal account. But in the single entry systems, they maintain cash book and personal ledger only. The other real account and nominal accounts are not maintained by the business unit. Mostly, the single entry systems are followed by small traders only. The income tax officials and governments are not accept these methods. Now, we find out the differences between the double entry system and single entry systems. In double entry systems, both debit and credit are recorded and all the transactions are recorded in the chronological orders. But in single entry systems, any one aspects are recorded. In some aspects, debits are recorded. In some transaction, credit aspects are recorded. Some of the transactions are not recorded in the books. Yeah. Another one is under double entry systems, the business unit must maintain or must open personal account, real account, and nominal account. But in the case of single entry system, only personal account and cash accounts are maintained. The nominal accounts are not maintained and the real account, except the cash accounts, are not maintained. Preparing trial balance. In double entry, to find out the arithmetical accuracy, the trial balance can be easily prepared based on the ledger balance because all the transactions are recorded properly. In single entry systems, it is not possible to prepare trial balance. Even though we prepare the trial balance under single entry systems, it is not accurate and both debit is not equal to credit because most of the records, most of the accounts are not maintained. And another difference is ascertaining profit and loss. With the help of the trial balance under double entry systems, we prepare final accounts and find out gross profit, net profit accurately. Likewise, with the help of preparing balance sheet, The proprietor or the company easily ascertain the financial position of the business firm. But in the case of single entry, the profit and losses can be ascertained, but it not at all accurate. It is not a correct profit or loss. The double entry systems are accepted by the income tax officers. If the company is filing any tax returns at the time, the company must follow double entry systems. The single entry systems are not accepted by the income tax officials and acceptable for evidence. If there is any dispute among the debtors and creditors regarding the payments at the time, the double entry records may be acted as evidence in the court of law, but the court never take evidence for the single entry. The double entry system is suitable for any type of industry. It is suitable for small industry as well as the big organization or large scale enterprises. But the single entry is mostly applicable only to small business only. Under single entry systems, we check the accuracy through internal check and we avoid any frauds easily. But the internal check is not possible in the single entry systems. These are the main differences between the single entry and double entry. Thank you.